Hey everyone, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to understand the motion section in Scratch. So first let's start with a basic one, the move 10 steps block. You see this over here? What this block does is it moves your character forward, pretty straightforward. See? It's a really straightforward block. See, move your character forward 100. Move my character forward 100 steps. Now, the turn 15 degrees block changes, or not just turn 15 degrees, turn any degrees block changes the direction that your sprite is facing. So if I put turn 180 degrees, see? Turned all the way there. Let's put it back to directions 360. Well, you get what I mean. Back to 90. Okay, and then this turn degrees block is the same thing. It just turns in the other way. Turns it up. See? 180. Now let's tap on it. It turned upside down completely. I'll turn you to 180 again. So you'll get reset. Yep. Okay, and then let me clear up the board for you guys here. The go to random position block will just make your actor go to a random position. See, like that's the random position. While this block will make it like 0, 0, exact coordinates. The glide 1 second to a random position block will do the same thing, except your character will glide, your sprite. And then this one, your sprite will glide to a specific spot. As I'm going to put it to 0, 0. Sure. The point and direction block is there so that it'll point your sprite in the correct way. Correct way, like wherever you want it to point. I'll make it to 180. Look at that, it pointed it that way. Now let's put you back to 90. Here. Then the point towards mouse pointer is wherever your mouse pointer is, it'll go facing that direction. Like as it's demonstrated right here. Change X by 10 basically does this. It'll, wherever your actor is, like if your actor is over here, then your actor would go like here. Then set X to 100, I'll set X to like 200 instead. So it just is a specific coordinate as you see over here. Same thing for Y. If on edge bounce is mainly there, like if you're making your actor keep on going forever, forever like moving, then the if on edge bounce is helpful, so then your actor doesn't just go straight through the walls. Set rotation style, left, right, is not that important. Position, Y position, direction, it'll show what area your actor's in. Like your actor right now, my actor, it's in Y0. So say if I put it as 89, then it'd show 89 statistics. So thank you, and I hope we understood something new from the motion section. I hope that you guys look forward to the other sections, which are going to be as follows: looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks. Thank you, and I hope you liked this. Bye.